Welcome to GSM Favor YouTube channel.
This is my Itel Vision 1 Plus model Android smartphone. Unfortunately, I forgot my phone pattern lock.
I can't use my phone, so today I'll show you how to reset the screen lock and how to make the phone usable again. First, turn off the phone by using the power key.
When your device is completely off, you should hold down combination power key plus volume down for about 5 seconds to proceed. Release the power button when Itel logo shows. Just hold the volume down button. The phone is now in recovery mode. In this mode, choose wipe data or factory reset by using volume keys to navigate and the power button to accept it. After that, select factory data reset from the menu and confirm it by pressing the power key. Please wait while the phone is resetting. Factory reset done. At the end, choose Reboot System Now by using the power button. Factory reset completed. Thanks for watching.
Stay tuned by subscribing to our GSM Favor YouTube channel for tutorial tips and tricks to unlock more new smartphones like this. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more video.